Namaskar. Just to make our efforts beneficial, very useful, we will talk about the review of the things, the consistency of the things, a union of the things, or to make a chain of the things, what we do and what we did in the previous days, in our videos, in our life, whatever. Review, और in हिंदी द मनन करेंगे, हम मनन करेंगे पिछली बातों को ताकि उनको हम साथ में लेके चल सकें, निरंतरता, उसको चेन बना के चल सकें, उसको कंसिस्टेंट रख सकें. Because if we don't review, if we don't walk with the previous things, our knowledge and all that, whatever we learn, in a solid way, the coming things we will learn are not going to get you any benefit. If I don't do all that, if I forget all that did earlier and do the new things, I am not going to be benefited. I will have to review the things, make a chain, and drag all those consistently within my mind to make the coming things beneficial. हमें मनन करना होगा पीछे की चीज़ों को और उनको साथ लेकर चलना होगा, तभी हम जो नया सीखेंगे, जो नया लाएंगे, वो काम आएगा, अदरवाइज उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. That is a law of nature. Even when we walk, go for a walk, 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, we take steps, hundreds of steps. They go on giving us energy, compile the energy, and build that energy within us. That is a consistency. That is a unity. That is a chain that gives us that power on walking. The same happen with our all this what we learn. We should make that walk with us. उसको साथ में लेके चलना है, उसको रिव्यू करना है, उसको मनन करना है time to time. It is a very big aspect. Because my purpose is whatever effort I do in making these videos and all that, that should be 100% beneficial, or practical benefit should go to the audience. So we talked about a consistency, reviewing the things, taking that along with us, or manan karna unko. Now the second thing, I'm going to add a very exclusive food in your diet. You might be taking that, but that should be a very consistent part of your diet. In India or in America or in any other countries, we can find that thing, the black pig cheese that looks like this. Black chickpeas. Make that a part of our diet. It is a wonderful thing. Great for energy, great for power, strength, great for blood pressure, cholesterol, anything you name it, it is a wonderful food. Even that it is being fed to the horses who run for races and all that, this black chickpeas. We will have to think properly, practically, with a maturity. I am not showing you just like to show you. I am giving you a scientific diet. Black chickpeas. No, how to use it. Use it more frequently, the juice of this. 1 cup of this, put 4 glasses of water at night and leave it. Then in the morning, put that same 4 glass of water in a cooker, and I think within 2 whistles it will be done. And then you can add salt as per your taste, and before boiling the salt should be there within the 4 glasses of water. Now the juice is ready. Put some desi ghee or butter, 1 teaspoon of butter in 1 cup, and a black cumin, kala jeera. If we take that juice, that will keep us away from the cold, cough and all that, and keep us away from fever and many things. So very good. So as much you can do, if it can be done after 2 days or total 3-4 days in a week, it is very good. And mostly in winter, it can be very, very beneficial. If you can take 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening, that is great. Or if not possible, then 1 cup in the evening. Keep in mind the black chickpeas, just like this. Okay, again I will talk about review. Whatever we did in earlier days, this, all review those things. About exercise also, about foods also, and all that. The last time I said like this is a wonderful for the backbone. And I talk about this, it is wonderful, all the nerves are here. And in one previous, I washed my feet in a tub of hot water. All the bundle of nerves are there that generate energy, if we can do that. So मनन करना या उसको रिव्यू करना, उसको साथ में लेकर चलना is a must. Now I will take 1 minute for the English. जो इंग्लिश नहीं जानते उनके लिए हमें छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बनाने हैं. जैसे मैं सुबह उठता हूं, I get up in the morning. I get up in the morning. उसके बाद मैं घूमने जाता हूं, then I go for a walk. उसके बाद वापस आता हूं, then I come back. Then I go for taking bath. तब मैं नहाने के लिए जाता हूं. Then I go for taking bath. उसके बाद I go for a cup of tea. उसके बाद मैं 1 कप चाय का पीता हूं. After that, I go for a cup of tea. Then I take some fruits. मैं कुछ फल ले लेता हूं, खा लेता हूं. I take some fruits. And then double roti, makhan, but bread and butter, I take 1 or 2 slices of bread and butter. Then मैं अपने काम पे लग जाता हूं. Then I go for my daily routine work. Daily routine work, जो मेरा रोज का काम है, उसके ऊपर मैं चला जाता हूं. तो हमने ये छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस जोड़ लिए. आई गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, आई गो फॉर ए वॉक, आई कम बैक, आई गो फॉर टेकिंग ए बाथ, देन आई गो फॉर ए टी, कप ऑफ टी, देन आई टेक सम फ्रूट्स, देन आई टेक सम ब्रेड एंड बटर. सो इन दिस कंसिस्टेंसी, इस निरंतरता को लेते हुए आपको सेंटेंस बनाने आ जाएंगे. देन यू कैन राइट स्मॉल स्टोरीज, and then you can be a perfect person in English also. Read some books and all, and write some essays, small essays, and that will be great. So today we did about the manan, about the review of what we did. Without that, nothing is going to happen. Till you make a chain of all the things. Make that united walk with the past things and all that. Otherwise, anything we learn is not going to be useful. Consistency, nirantarta, is a big mantra of our life. Okay, namaskar, and I will be there again in front of you with a scientific thing, a thing which is not readily available, all inventive, the research type of things. So please help your people or your known people to subscribe this channel and empower me to say more so that my things reach more people and get the humanity benefited. Namaskar.